The ZONESUN syrup filling line is designed for automatic packaging of liquid syrup products in bottles with different cap types. This syrup filling line integrates bottle unscrambling, air rinsing, filling, capping, pressing, and bottle collection into one complete system. It adopts a servo piston pump filling system with anti-drip nozzles to ensure accurate and clean filling. All product contact parts are made of food-grade SUS-304 stainless steel. Equipped with negative ion air bottle cleaning machine, vibratory cap feeding system, and dual capping solutions, screw caps and press caps, the ZONESUN syrup filling line provides a stable, hygienic, and flexible packaging solution. Optional labeling and induction sealing machines can be added to achieve a fully automated syrup filling line.